How to convert your Excel file into a JPG image. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily convert your Excel file into a JPG image. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert your Excel file into an JPG file, you have to do two things. First of all, you have to convert your Excel file into Microsoft Word, or you can convert into PDF, and after that you can convert PDF file into a JPG. So first of all, I want to show you which Excel file I want to convert into JPG image. I want to convert my this Excel file into JPG file. So first of all, I have to do a thing that I will open Google, and here I have to search for I love PDF and click on this first website and just scroll down, and here I have to convert Excel to PDF. Click on it and click on select Excel file and click on media picker, and here you have to select the Excel file and click on convert to PDF and click on download PDF and click on download. And now I have successfully changed my Excel into PDF. Now I have to change PDF into a JPG file. So I will go back, and here I have to click on PDF to JPG. So I will just go scroll down, and here you can see PDF to JPG. Click on it and select PDF file and click on media picker, and here you have to go to download, or you have to go to documents and click on download, and here is the file that I want to convert into JPG. Click on it and click on convert to JPG and click on download JPG image. So guys, you can see I have successfully converted my Excel file into a JPG image. So in this way you can convert any Excel file into JPG image very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.